Now, the last video got really long, and so I cut it off. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the graphing calculator so you know how to graph it correctly. Now, what I'd like you to do right now is go to y equals. Oh my goodness, just clear all this stuff out.
Just do second plus 7.
I don't want to clear all of that. I've got a negative x. Then what do I have? 2x plus 5. Now I'm going to close this off and just square it. Okay? And then I have what? An x minus 3. Okay? Now, if I hit zoom and 6, which is a standard zoom, can I see all of my graph right here? I can't see all of my graph. So what I want you to do is go to the table. All right? Ooh, let's start at 0. Not 800. Okay, so let's think about how high we get up. How high does it get up to? 162, right? 162. So let's go ahead and change our window setting. Let's go to the Y maximum at let's just say 180. And let's count up by tens. Okay? Now hit graph. If I wanted to see a little bit more of this, everybody, what I can do is go to the window. Let's go down to where we are at, say, maybe a negative 180. Now, what I want you guys to do is just simply, on your paper, make a sketch of this. And what I want you to do, when you make a sketch, call this your x, call this your y, go up here, say, Mr. Nude, I went all the way up to a 180. Down here, I'm at a negative 180. Over here, I'm at a 10. Over here, I'm at a negative 10. And that will, what does this tell me? This tells me you understand one thing. It tells me that you understand something called setting your window.
You don't want it to be like well, you want it to be close.
Yeah, just make a sketch of it. Now, by the way, where are the zeros? Right here. I'm going to do it in red so you can see a little bit easier. Right here, and right here. By the way, what do you notice about the one that has multiplicity? What happens? Does it actually go over the x-axis or it just touches it? It just touches it. Let me show you. That's kind of the rule. Check this out. If I go over here and I say x minus 3 and x plus 3, I would have a 0 at a 3 and a negative 3. Okay, graph. Where does it cross? It crosses right here at a negative 3 and a positive 3. But look what happens if I go all the way over to this, all the way to the right. Look what happens if I square this. I go all the way to the right and I say, oh, not that. Oh, let's try this again. Square. Now look what happens at the negative 3. Nope. There it is. Look what happens. Does it cross over? No. What if I were to insert a square here? Second, delete, square. Look what happens now. So when something is squared, what happens? Does it cross over or did it just bounce or just touch on the x-axis? Yeah. So that's a rule. If you have what's called what? Multiplicity, then it won't cross over. It'll just get up to it and bounce off of it. Okay? So what should be your answer for that very final question? The blue one. Just make it nice and neat. It should look like